viral video of Chinese enjoying bat soup suggests that it might be the reason of coronavirus. According to the experts, bats could be the reason of the coronavirus. According to experts, bats could host coronavirus. Their link with the spread of the mysterious, deadly disease in China further raised eyebrows as a video of locals enjoying bat soup in the Chinese capital of Wuhan went viral. The virus has claimed the lives of 17 people so far. Other counties, including Pakistan, are on the brink of being affected by it as well. Scientists are still unaware of the actual cause and believe they underestimated the consequences. However, Wuhan is its origin. The public was alarmed because the coronavirus has a striking resemblance to SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome, which killed nearly 650 people across China in 2002-2003. The death toll from the new SARS-like virus rose to 17 on Wednesday and has spread to 5 countries, including the U.S. Pakistan at risk. Dr. Zafar Mirza assured officials during the meeting that the Directorate of the Health Ministry dealing with airport and port health services has taken over the situation. Authorities have been directed to ensure strict vigilance and checking of travelers coming from target areas. 42 flights have been scheduled from China to Pakistan this week. The special assistant to the PM said the situation is under control, and there was no need for panic. Regular updates to the public regarding the virus will be shared. The National Institute of Health Islamabad has issued an alert to all provincial health departments, especially at points of entry at all airports.